it's very easy really. So what you do, just click on this one, click on that double. Can you see that? And then you come here, click on to the picture. There's a picture I had ready. Click on that, and then you just insert media, and it should come up. And then all you have to do is click on that double again, and then click on this, and then you can put your own name on there, which you introduce by me. Because Wayne is at the bottom and then I'm on the top then, so this is how I do it. So that's basically how you add your picture into the sales page. It's nice and simple, and we are ready to go. And then all you do is just say publish, or you can just press save, and it should be on there. Just wait for it to be published, and then I will show you exactly when it's finished publishing. Okay, and then just go back here. Hopefully it'll work. And then you go here, and then you check it. There you go, guys. You see that? There you go. That's how you do it. And also, I want to go back onto it for you to see. You have to also change the mobile one, otherwise the mobile one will just stay the same. So basically you have to go back onto it again, press this button here, mobile. You see it's not there, you see. So exactly the same thing, press on picture and then press on double it. Sorry, too quick I was. Click on it and then click on the picture again and then click on this one and then insert media again, and there it is again. And then also here you've got to click on it so it's double, and then just press the arrow key up and then just put down what you want, introduce or produce, up to you. But I always do introduce by, and then just put my name here, you see, and that's how you do the picture, profile, everything. And then don't forget, guys, always publish it so it's saved it, okay? And that is how to do the mobile. Mobile will be like when people click on it, they will see your profile picture, and then just click back, and then you just press through, and there you are, it's there. If people's got mobile, then they would look at the mobile version, but this is the desktop version. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye. It's me again. I just want to basically show you that there you are, it works. Okay, this is basically all you have to do is to do what I showed you, and then you can put it in. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Bye.